Welcome to Andoski Lectures. Topic is Centroid of a semicircle. Teacher Anand Mohandas. Centroid of a semicircle derivation. You can see the semicircle drawn and we have to find y dash, which is the centroid of the semicircle. First we take an infinitesimally small horizontal strip of thickness dy at a distance y from the base, and the length of the strip is 2x. So the moment of all such strip of the semicircle about the base divided by the area of the semicircle will give us the distance of the centroid from the base. So y dash, which is the distance of the centroid from the base, and by Pythagoras theorem we also know r squared equal to x squared plus y squared and x equal to root of r squared minus y squared. So y dash is centroid of semicircle and y1 centroid of the strip, which is equal to 2x, and dA is area of semicircle, which is pi r squared divided by 2, and dA1 is area of the strip, which is length into breadth, which is y into dy. So let us do the calculation. Centroid of a semicircle derivation. So y dash is what we have to find. So y dash equal to integral of y1 into dA1 divided by integral of dA, because we know y dash equal to total moments in y direction divided by total area. So integral of dA is 1 by pi r squared by 2. Integral of dA's area, which is 1 by pi r squared divided by 2, into integral 0 to r 2xy dy. So you just substitute the value and then integrate. You get 2 divided by pi r squared into 2 by 3 into r squared minus y squared whole raised to 3 by 2 with the limit 0 to r, which is equal to 2 by pi r squared into minus 2r minus 2 by pi r squared into minus 2r cubed by 3, which gives the value 4r divided by 3 pi. So y dash, which is total moments in y direction divided by total area, equal to 4r divided by 3 pi. So the distance of the centroid from the base comes to 4r divided by 3 pi. And you get it by integrating by the method of integration. So you can see this. Let's do a small problem. Find the centroid or center of gravity of a semicircle where the radius is 15 centimeter. So we know radius is 15 centimeter. You use the equation. The distance of the centroid from the base is 4r divided by 3 pi, which is 4 into 15 divided by 3 pi, which comes to 6.37 centimeter. So I'll mark the center of gravity also 6.37. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.